Welcome back, children. Let's read the next operator, that is the logical operators. So you can underline this line. Relational operators are often used with logical operators, and these logical operators are also known as conditional operators to construct some complex decision making expressions. Okay, so these are different logical operators mentioned here, and you can see this double ampersand sign and this double bar, exclamation, ampersand, single bar, and then caret sign. And here this means OP1 means operand 1 and operand 2. Okay, so how is this going to work? If this operand 1, as you have done in the relational operator, that in relational operator we always get the answer as boolean. So if this is a relational expression and this is also an expression, and if both the expressions are getting the answer as true, so this and, logical and, are both true, then it is going to give you the answer as true. That means OP2 is evaluated only if OP1 is true. So just to make you understand, this double AND operator means that if this condition is also true and if this condition is only true, only then you are going to get the answer as true. If any of these is false, then the answer is going to be false. This is OR operator. That means either one of these has to be true to get you the answer as true. So we will read this further and I'll explain you how it works. So this table, you can mark it, that you can go through it. Just understand wherever they have written the word OP, that means that it is operand. Okay, so this single operands and then a single bar and then this caret sign, they work like they always evaluate OP1 and OP2. That means here the word evaluated is written. That means if they want to get the answer of these, then which OP2 or OP1 is to be evaluated. Okay, here in these last three, both the operands are evaluated to get the answer. Here there is written choice. Okay, so this exclamation is opposite. If this is false, OP false, then answer is not, that is opposite, you are going to get true. And if this is true, you are going to get answer as false. So how this works, we are going to read in the next. So you can just mark this, that the logical OR operator combines two expressions which makes its operand, and it evaluates to true if either of its operand evaluates to true. This is what you have to just understand for this table. And then when we go to next page, now they have given here the conditions. If you see the conditions, okay, see 4 is equal to 4. Now this is one OP1. 5 double equal to 8. This is OP2. And they have used here OR. Okay, this is parallel bar is for OR. That means if this is true or this is true, then answer is going to be true. Now if you see there, I can explain you this with the help of an written example. Now if you see here, they have written here like, see, 4 double equal to 4 or 5 double equal to 8. So this is condition, and if this is equality operator, so answer is going to be true. Or if this is the condition, is 5 double equal to 8? No. So answer is going to be false. So what is the criteria of OR? If you want the total answer as true, then either of this has to be true. So we have this one, so the final answer is true. Now if we see 0 greater than 1 or 0 less than minus 1, is 0 greater than 1? False. Or is 0 less than minus 1? False. So both the answers are false and the final answer is going to be false. Okay, so we have next, that is 5 greater than 8 or 5 less than 2. So is 5 greater than 8? False. Or is 5 less than 2? False. So what is the final answer? False. And then we have next, see, 0 less than -1. False. And then we have 8 greater than 0. True. So one is false and one is true. So you will get the final answer as true. Next you underline is the AND operator, that is ampersand. It combines, so you can underline, it combines two expressions into one. And the resulting expression has the value true only if both of the original expressions are true. Okay, so here we have the conditions like, is 6 double equal to 3? False. So the very first condition is false, so you don't have to go on the next to check it, because here both the conditions need to be true. So we can write this. If we want to check it, we can write it. Let's see. See, we have been given 4 examples here. 6 double equal to 3 ampersand 4 double equal to 4. Next is 4 double equal to 4 ampersand 8 double equal to 8. 6 less than 9 ampersand 4 greater than 2. And then we have here, you put the brackets or you don't put the bracket, it doesn't matter. 6 greater than 9 ampersand 5 less than 2. Now if we evaluate these, see the first condition. Now what is the condition of AND? Both the conditions need to be true to get the answer as true. Is 6 double equal to 3? False. Is 4 double equal to, see the very first condition is false, so we don't need to check the next. We know the answer is false. Is 4 double equal to 4? Yes. Now this is true, so we need to check the next. Is 8 double equal to true? Yes. So both are true, so we get the final answer as true. Is 6 less than 9? Yes, this condition is true, so we need to check the next. Is 4 greater than 2? Yes. So we get the final answer as true. Is 6 greater than 9? False. So we don't need to check the next one. So the answer is going to be false. So this is about your ampersand. And the not, you can underline the not. It works on single expression or operand. That means it is unary operator. What is this doing? It negates or reverses the true value of the expression. If the expression is true, the expression becomes false and vice versa. Now the examples here they have given is, let's say, let's understand this. It's not 5 not equal to 0. Okay, so this is not 5 greater than 2, and this is not 5 greater than 9. So if we read this, first solve the expression. Is 5 not equal to true? If is 5 not equal to 0? Yes, it is not equal to. That means answer inside is true and not of true is going to be false. Next, is 5 greater than 2? So answer inside is true, not of this is going to be false. Is 5 greater than 9? So answer is false, not is equal to true. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.